What's up guys, Erica here from Highway 49RC. Today we're going to be taking a look at the comp crawler, and I've just decided that I am getting a little bit tired of these J-Concepts ruptures. They are phenomenal tires. However, I've had them for probably around 2 years now. They're getting really chewed up, the foams are soft, they are just torn to pieces. As you can see on this one, big chunk is just kind of ripped off there. So I decided, you know what, I need some new tires, but these are 1.9, so I decided, alright, let's go to 2.2s. And so what I've chosen, basically, 4 new tires. Okay, and also what prompted this is the last time I went out to try and film a video with this thing, one of the, I don't remember which one of the hexes, or one of the beadlocks stripped out, because they are only plastic, which isn't really a big deal. I could replace them, but I thought, you know what, let's just take this time, get new tires, get new beadlocks, and just upgrade. So, what I got, as you guys have already seen by the title, is I got the GMADE G-Air tire system. So basically what it is it's a tire, it's the, the bighorn tire, I believe that's what it is. Yeah, it's the bighorn rock crawling tire, and then it has a beadlock with a little valve in it that essentially allows you to inflate and deflate the tire as you wish. Now, it comes with the beadlock and the tire, so hopefully it should all work well. And also, if I decide I don't like these tires, which very well may be, because this came from, I don't know where GMADE is from exactly, China, I don't know, somewhere in Asia. So their rocks might be different than ours, which they probably are. So these tires might work better there than here in California. So I may need to get some different tires. But let's go ahead and get right into the packaging here. So on the outside, as you can see, G-Air system for 1/10 scale rock crawlers and trucks. That is the pump that comes with it. Just gives a little bit of detail about the product there. Alright, let's go ahead and open the box here and see what we've got. Okay, so in the box we've got the 4 tires. We've got, let's see, looks like beadlock rings, screws, and the pump, and maybe some stickers, and the hose for the pump. Now these are the tires. I was hoping that they'd actually come pre-assembled, which looks like they kind of do, but I was hoping that the beadlock would already be installed, so it looks like, unfortunately, I'm going to have to do that. Shouldn't take me long. Alright, first impressions are pretty good. They're really soft. Hopefully the air will stiffen them up, which, I mean, obviously they should. Very deep lugs. Deeper than they look, actually. Online, these lugs do not look very deep at all. But I assure you, they're a solid probably 3/16 of an inch deep. Maybe even deeper than the J-Concepts ruptures back here. And, as you can see, definitely a bit bigger. Got 4 tires in there. So let's go ahead and start assembling them. It's pretty straightforward. I'm really not going to show you in detail how to assemble them, just because, like, come on, it's a beadlock wheel. You guys have seen me assemble beadlocks multiple times before. Not that difficult. Before we do, though, let's just take a look in here, see what else is chilling in the bag. These are plastic beadlocks. Yeah, that's plastic. Comes with these 8 rings here. And this is the hose, and looks like maybe replacement valves also in there, and a little Allen wrench. Instructions here. I'll take a look at those later. Got, not sure what those are. Not sure what those are. Same thing. Screws. Here's the pump. Feels pretty nice. It's plastic outside, aluminum ends, but should be pretty good. And finally, the Beadlock screws. So some of them are cap head, some of them are button head. Not sure the difference. I will have to take a look at the instructions and see what it tells me. So let me assemble these, and I will come back to you and we will install them on the comp crawler. Alright guys, so I've got the Beadlocks put together, and I already filled up these tires with air, but I'll show you how to do it with this one. I will say that putting the pump together with the little nipple thing on the end, so hard. Like, seriously, couldn't they have gotten a tube with an inner diameter that was like 0.5 millimeter bigger? So hard. I broke the hose like 3 times doing it. Serious pain in the butt. My apologies to interrupt your regularly scheduled program, but I have an announcement that I have learned after the fact of installing these Bighorn tires. When you're doing the whole pump thing, assembling it, forget about this little piece of tube, okay? Go and get yourself a piece of Lego hose. Yes, I said Lego hose. It makes it so much easier. It's way thicker. It's gonna save you so much hassle, you guys. Seriously, I will go and link a couple different places in the description below where you can get yourself some of this stuff. Only a couple bucks, really, really cheap for the amount that you'll get. I'm serious. If you guys are going to get these G-Air tires, make sure you get some of this. Seriously good stuff. Also, it's not very, or it's rather trivial to fill the actual tire. So you have to, so inside there, as you can see, there's a little valve, like a little rubber valve thing in there. There you go, right there, and then you take and you put your pump end into it. Now it doesn't like go in all the way. There, so as you can see, it doesn't go in all the way, and you really need it to. So what I've been doing is I've been taking and I've been squishing in this back of the tire and then feeling where the other side of the valve is on the inside of the tire, and basically keeping it from just rolling in, or keeping the valve from just rolling in, essentially. So now it's in far enough. Now we can go ahead and pump it up some. As you can see, it's starting to inflate some. Now, the other thing that I've noticed with a couple of them is that they actually leak, and I don't know whether it's the valve or if it's the Beadlock. I don't know. I have a feeling that these are going to be rather... Oh, there we go. That screw is loose, so that could have been the problem there. Yeah, I've just been kind of going around and making sure that they're all tight, I guess, because if you don't have a good seal, obviously it won't hold air. So, that one was a little bit loose too. Basically, I'm just going around making sure that all the screws are good and tight. Alright, let's try that again. Yeah, okay, that seems to fix it. It appears to be holding now. Now what you've got to do is kind of feel compared to the other ones. That's about the maximum there. You got to pull that out really fast and put in the little plug dealy very quickly so that you don't let any air out. It's not like going to come out if you don't put the plug in, but basically just so that you don't lose any air when you take the little pump thing out. So it feels about the same. They're probably all gonna deflate, but whatever. Let's go ahead and install them on the truck and see how they look. Alright, and there you go. There is the GMADE G-Air system rims along with the Bighorn tires installed on the comp crawler here. Looking super nice. They clear everything. They don't really rub that much, I don't think, or at least it doesn't look like they will. I will try and get a running video out with this thing as soon as possible. But until then, thank you all so much for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe, comment down below what you think if you're going to get some of these. My overall opinion on these, pretty good, aside from the air filling system. That's about it that I have to complain about, but you guys heard my thoughts on that earlier, so that's it for me, guys. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see y'all next time.